Hey guys, welcome to today's workout. So this one is called Twice as Nice. So there's 4 stations. On each station, there are 2 exercises. So you're gonna perform the first exercise for 12 reps, okay? Once you've done 12 reps of the first exercise, you go straight into the second exercise and you perform another 12 reps, okay? So you're gonna stand at station for 4 minutes in total, okay? Moving back and forth between exercise A and exercise B, going 12 reps of exercise A, 12 reps of exercise B. And again, just going back and forth, 12 and 12, okay, for 4 minutes. Once that 4-minute round is finished, take a 60-second rest, and then you're gonna get into station number 2. Same again, 2 exercises, 12 reps of each exercise, okay, going back and forth between those 2 exercises, performing 12 reps for 4 minutes, okay, and then 60-second rest, do station 3, 60-second rest, station number 4. All right guys, so it's gonna be about 16 minutes of work in total with about 3 minutes of rest. That's gonna take around about 19 minutes. 360 into a front squat, shoulders down and packed down, hands into the navel, elbows tucked in. So we're gonna perform our 360, making sure our triceps reach the back of the t-shirt on the backswing. As that mace comes towards the front, I've got my thumb pointing down and I'm gonna catch that mace handle into that front squat position. So I can either have my hands quite close in and have it as an offset type exercise where I've got unilaterally loaded with that load on one side, or I can bring my hand out to the side and that's gonna be much more stable. From here, just bending the bar in half so you really engage those back muscles, keep the chest nice and proud, and then usual squat cues apply. Thighs parallel over the floor, squeeze through the glutes, drive down through the heels on that way up. Once we come to the top of the movement, we're gonna throw that mace back up. We're gonna do a 360 over the other shoulder. This time we're gonna catch it in the right hand. And again, just slide it down into that front rack position, into the squat, okay? So I'll just speed that up, show you what that looks like. So we do our 360, front squat, 360, front squat. So we're gonna do 12 reps. That's exercise A. Then you're gonna go straight in and do exercise B once you've done your 12 reps. So with this, we're gonna have our feet quite wide out to start with, and then we're gonna do a switch side lunge. So all we do here, if I've got the right hand close to the mace head, I'm gonna switch sides, okay? And as I switch sides, I step out to the side. So this knee tracks the toe. Okay, fold this knee, this leg stays straight. This position here, I'm gonna push down with my left hand, push that mace head into the ground, and I'm gonna pull that mace apart to activate those back muscles. All we do from the top, as I'm coming into extension with my legs, we do our switch curl, so we're in that prayer position, we change sides, and then we repeat the movement on the other side. You're gonna do 12 and 12 of those 2 exercises for 4 minutes. Have a 60-second rest, then we get into station number 2. We're gonna do a little bit of groundwork on this one. 12 reps of push-ups, and then 12 reps of kayak. With your push-ups, just work into your level. You can do these off your knees if you need to, otherwise go off your toes. Hands underneath the shoulders, making sure that you've got a straight line between your crown and your coccyx. Abs are on, glutes are tight, nice and tight through the core. Finish about 1 inch off the ground, squeeze through the chest, lock out the elbows at the top. Okay, so you do your 12 push-ups, and we're gonna do kayaks. 3 progressions with this exercise. So the first one, we have our feet on the floor, okay, and we're gonna row like we're rowing a kayak. So if I've got the mace handle in my right hand here, I've got the mace head on my left, and I'm gonna row the mace head towards the body, just leaning back about 45, so I'm engaging the core. I'll pull with my left hand, and I push with the right hand. Then I change sides, okay? Pull with my right hand, push with the left hand. Number 2, if I want to make that a little bit more challenging, I'm going to have the feet up off the floor. Same movement with the hands. Just try and keep your feet as still as you can, so you're using your core to stabilize. Progression number 3 is I do a crunch as I'm doing that row. Again, do your 12 and 12 for 4 minutes. Station number 3, we're gonna go uppercut lunge, hands over grip. All we do here, paddle side row position. So if I've got a mace head in my right hand side, I'm gonna bring the mace to my right hand side. All we're gonna do here, on this hand here, as I step forward into a lunge, I'm gonna punch up with the mace head. Okay, so we're gonna do this as a forward lunge. So a big step forward, and then drive that rear hand up. Repeat to the standing position. Okay, so drive that, punch that up as I pull the mace handle back. So I'll do that again. When we're in that bottom position, the mace handle is close to my cheek and I'm looking straight ahead. Okay, so we're gonna go 6 reps each side on that exercise. Then we're gonna go into bull whip, bring that mace head about 6 inches off the floor, and then I grip there, okay? You can choke up on the mace handle if you struggle with this exercise because there is a lot of leverage. So if you do struggle with this movement, just grip closer to the mace head if you need to, but otherwise stay round about 6 inches off the floor. So with a bull whip, we're gonna cast into a backswing. Then we're gonna bring the mace head around the body. So we're gonna do like a halo with the arm. Okay, you can see that the mace handle is vertical to the floor the whole time I'm doing that halo. As I come to the same shoulder I'm on, I'll cast forward, back into that backswing. Show you what that looks like. Again, we're gonna go 6 reps each side. As the mace is going around the back of the body in that backswing, my eyes are following that mace. So go 6 reps each side on that, going back and forth, 12 and 12, 4 minutes, and then get into station number 4. We're gonna start with our hands over grip, feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward. All we do here is we bring one hand to the navel, other hand up top. The hand that's up top, my thumb is pointing down, the thumb at the bottom, sorry, my hand at the bottom, the thumb is pointing up. All I do here is I rotate this hip from my right hand side, so I've got the hand in the navel on the right side. I'm going to rotate that right hip and I'm going to squish the bug and pivot with that right foot. So I punch up with my right hand. From here I'm looking forward at the target, okay, and then I bring this other arm underneath and I punch up with the other side, making sure that I rotate this hip and squish the bug on that foot. From here I come back to the starting position and then go again. And then next time you do this set, you'd have your right hand on top and your left hand near the navel. And then the last exercise, okay, switch curls. So we're gonna keep our elbows tucked into the ribs. Okay, one hand that's closest to the mace head is facing up, other hand's facing down, and then we're gonna switch sides. Just making sure that both hands stay connected to the mace the whole time and I'm not kind of losing contact with it, okay? So slide one hand up. You're in the halfway position, in that prayer position. Bring it across to the other side, one hand slides up, one hand slides down. Okay, so go 12 reps in total. All right guys, that's the last station. So you're gonna repeat those 2 exercises going from the uppercuts, okay, to the switch curls. And then once you've done that last station, you are done. All right guys, hope you enjoyed this workout and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. If you want more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out our Dangerously Fit strength training equipment, all of our products are available on Amazon and through our websites. I'll leave the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one.